Hello everyone. In this video, I will simply show you how to get Steam working. So what you want to do is check the link in the description and be sure to download the files necessary. Okay, so once you have this folder downloaded, you want to open it, and you want to go to Steam. This is a fix if Steam won't run on your PC. You could sign in with your account and it'll work correctly. Very small fix. A lot of videos tell you to clean DNS. Those haven't worked for me, so I found a different solution. Download the files, just run Steam. It's very simple. Enjoy. And if this video has worked for you, leave a like and subscribe.